give enough importance to NCERT, my dear? Then why you enroll into a coaching center where they charge you lakhs of rupees and teach you everything that they can teach out of NCERT? They do this because they want to make someone AIR1 so that they could advertise their coaching center. While you, my friend, you just merely need 600 plus marks to secure the MBBS seat of your dreams. How many times did you read your NCERT? How many NCERT-based MCQs did you practice so far? Or you're just procrastinating your MCQ practice? Oh, I'll do it once my syllabus is complete. That's your excuse? NEET requires your full year of commitment and practice. MCQ practice enables active learning so that you could remember the concepts you have learned for a longer duration of time. But how to revise your entire syllabus through MCQ practice? I'll tell you. By practicing NCERT line by line MCQs. Ta-da! But how to not forget all MCQs? By practicing them repeatedly. For people who procrastinate MCQ practice like you and don't do enough revision in proper intervals and forget everything like you, I bet you need Memoneet. Memoneet has questions taken from each and every line of NCERT biology and chemistry. We have even covered the diagrams and the chapter summaries.